Hello everyone. We are packing the relief goods to give to the earthquake victims. We are thankful to those who donated relief goods and to everyone who helped and supported the packing and distribution of the goods. After we finished packing, the vehicle we booked got cancelled. So we are searching even late at night just to find a vehicle to load the goods we need to bring to the north. We didn't give up, and the Lord provided us a vehicle to go to the north. Along the way, we saw many others who are also giving relief goods. There were also many vehicle accidents along the way. The road leading to the north is becoming congested due to the overwhelming number of vehicles traveling there. But despite that, I'm in awe of my fellow Cebuanos. They truly go above and beyond to help. No matter how bad the traffic gets. I'm happy with the recipients of our goods because they're deeply grateful, even though some went without since we couldn't provide for everyone. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for the successful delivery of goods. I'm grateful to my team for distributing the goods. To the driver who persevered through the drive. To the people we helped, and to those who donated. God bless you us all. To God be all the glory.